welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a tutorial on this look right here. Second of my Halloween looks. This is a psychic, fortune teller, oracle type look I'm going for. It is more on the glam side, trying to, do a wide range of looks this time around and not, anything too effectsy. I did do this look or a very similar look to this a couple years ago. I called it my Black Magic Woman, which might be what I call it this time. Just a very dark, spooky, but still glam kind of look. What do you guys think of my background too? Like, you dig it? I think it's pretty cool. If you are interested in seeing how I created this video, please go ahead and keep watching. Alright, so today I'm going to start with my face. And so to prime my face, I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Instant Retouch Primer. Pop this in these areas here. Got a big hormonal breakout right there. I'm playing around with lighting today. I'm trying to make it look a little bit darker. Spooky. And I kind of like it like this. I think I'll film all of my tutorials like this for Halloween, not forever. So actually I am gonna go in with my Urban Decay Optical Illusion Primer and just put this over my pore areas where all my pores are. And just pop this all right here. God, this hurts so bad. So I'm going to use my Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation in the shade 3 or light beige, and I'm just going to pull this move here. It's so full coverage, I love it. So now I'm gonna take my Born This Way concealer, just taking the excess concealer from under my eye and bringing it up onto my lid. That looks good to me. Before we go any farther, I'm gonna set my lid space with my Kat Von D Lock-It Powder Foundation in the shade Light 45, because these bad boys will crease. Just set under there for now, and then I'm going to conceal the rest of my face. I'm thinking about getting dermaplaning done so that I don't have any hair on my face anymore. Everything looks a lot smoother because your girl's got a lot of peach fuzz. Alright, and before we set the rest of the face, I am going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Contour Kit. This baby right here. Go in with this shade right here. And I kind of want to bring it up a little bit higher today than following my actual hollows of my cheeks. I want to kind of make us look a little bit more sculpted today. I'm not trying to give myself a mustache, just trying to contour my lips a little bit. I'll do my nose. Alright, now to blend. I'm going to take my beauty blender, my dirty ass beauty blender, and do this. And just a fun fact, never powder your face before you use cream products because just don't do it. It will not come out well. Alright, and now we set. So for that, I'm going to take my Hourglass Veil Translucent Setting Powder. And this is a Morphe R13 brush. That's right. The number is worn off at this point, so this baby right here, I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to bake the sides of my nose. Okay, so I'm going to hit myself with some highlight. I'm going to be using the Anastasia AMREZY highlighter. Actually, I'm going to go in with the Dose of Colors DESIxKATY Collection Chasing the Sun highlighter, and then I'm going to go over top of it with the AMREZY highlighter. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to spray my face with Fix Plus. And then... blinding nose. Okay, so I'm gonna just bronze my face and then do my brows, and I will be right back. Okay, see? Yep, this is all done. I'm probably gonna wipe away my nose in just a minute. Actually, no, I'm not. I'm going to bake under my eyes real quick because we're going to be using some dark colors. Powder all over me. Alright, so for this, we're going to be using the Dose of Colors DESIxKATY Friendcation palette. So, using a number of colors today. I'm really excited. We're going to do a really dark smoky eye for this. We want to be that like sultry fortune teller, tarot card reader, witchy lady who might steal your soul in the process, but To start, I'm going to take Girl Bye, this shade right here. I'm going to pop this in the crease. I know this seems a little bit harsh and crazy, but we're gonna blend it all out. Don't worry. All right, I'm going to take an M441 brush and go in with Necessary, this neutral brown, and diffuse this out. I'm pretty much just dipping into that Necessary color once and really just blending out this with a clean-ish blending brush. So now comes the fun part. I'm just literally jumping into it here. We're gonna go in with Game Over, the black shade in this palette. I'm so excited to use it. And I'm going to take my M167 and first I'm gonna take without any Fix Plus. It's working out pretty well, I like that. I'm kind of just taking the shadow and tapping it onto my lid and then slightly, I don't want to say rubbing it out, but like moving it to where I want it to go. Because now what I'm going to do is take the same R39 brush that I used to put down Girl Bye and go in with that. It's a really pretty black though, I really like that. I'm going to dip back into Girl Bye. Go back in with it and kind of tap back over where it's become a little muted. And then what I'm also going to do is go in with a Moment, that lovely blue shade right there. And we gonna have a moment. I'm gonna put this right over top in the middle here. Oh, that is so pretty, guys. Oh my god. Holy shit. So pretty much, I'm just going to go back and forth into the black and the blue, into Game Over and a Moment. I think that's really pretty. Alright, taking an R41 brush, my usual go-to pencil brush, I'm going to tap back into Game Over and just really darken up the outer and inner corner. Because as much as I want that blue to show, I want it to mostly be focused in the center. Great! Now that that is done, I really, really love it. I'm going to go in with the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Eyeliner. I'm pretty sure this is in the shade. I will link it down below for you guys. I can't remember for the life of me what this one is called, but it's really pretty. And I'm just gonna pop this over the center. Look at that. That is so what I'm going for. So now I'm going to sweep away all of this stuff under my eyes and on my face and pray that there's not a lot of blue left over underneath. And there wasn't. So now I'm going to take these colors and I'm gonna first go in with Game Over and put this underneath. And you can be really messy with this because what we're gonna do, you're not even gonna be able to tell if you've gone too low. We just want to connect this and blend that together. Okay, so I'm gonna take Hey Girl now and create kind of a triangular shape down onto the face, like so, and just kind of deepen that up as you go. You're gonna want to fade that into the face. And then we're gonna go back in with Game Over. And we're gonna bring that down as well. See? And we're like kind of doing tears. I'm gonna go back in with Hey Girl a little bit again, and now I'm gonna take a Moment. Kind of look like a clown, I get it, but it's all come together, I promise. I'm gonna take the Urban Decay glitter liner again in mystery color. We're gonna make them tears glisten. I'm gonna run and finish up like my under eye. I'm gonna get a black liner and just line my waterline, top and bottom. And then I'm going to finish up my face. But I'm gonna finish up everything and then I'm gonna come back and do the lip. Yeah, so be right back. Alright, so to finish up the look, I'm just gonna do a dark lip. I'm gonna be using Sauvage from the first DESIxKATY Dose of Colors collaboration. I'm first gonna line my lips. This is Urban Decay's lip pencil in Blackmail. And then just to tie everything in together, I'm going to go in with the Dose of Colors DESIxKATY Round 2 Gloss the most. And there you have it. All you need is your crystal ball and you're all set for this costume, honestly. You can be a gorgeous, seductive, temptress, tarot card, psychic, fortune teller. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. It is a pretty easy glam costume in the first place. I don't want to do a lot of effects makeup because I know a lot of people, you know, don't want to spend that much money on a palette that they're only going to use, you know, once. So this is a very easy to do glam, but still kind of dark and spooky. But you know, you still look hot. Anyway, if you guys did like this tutorial, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And while you're over there, you know, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, especially if you want to see more videos like this. I am still so excited for the looks that I have left to do, and I hope you guys are too. Thank you again so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.